Picture this: you're floating in a space capsule, miles away from Earth, and hunger strikes. Gone are the days when astronauts had to settle for bland, vacuum-sealed meals. Welcome to the future of space food, where 3D printed pizzas and hydroponic veggies are on the menu. Tubes, a thing of the past. Remember those iconic images of astronauts squeezing food from a tube? While it served its purpose, tube food was far from appetizing. But don't worry, culinary advancements have rocketed far beyond those aluminum tubes. Now, astronauts can enjoy a variety of textures and flavors, thanks to freeze-drying and vacuum-sealing technologies. 3D printed pizzas, a slice of the future. Imagine having a pizza party in space. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's closer to reality than you might think. 3D printing technology is making it possible to create customized pizzas, layer by layer, right inside a spacecraft. The best part? You can choose your own toppings. This isn't just a win for taste buds, it's a giant leap for long-term space missions where food variety is crucial for morale. Hydroponic veggies, farming in zero gravity. Why stop at pizza when you can have a salad on the side? Hydroponic systems are allowing astronauts to grow fresh produce in space. Leafy greens, herbs, and even tomatoes can be cultivated in a controlled environment, providing essential nutrients and a taste of home. The big picture, sustainability and beyond. The innovations in space food aren't just for astronauts, they have implications for sustainable food production on Earth too. 3D printing and hydroponics are eco-friendly methods that could revolutionize how food is produced and consumed, reducing waste and carbon footprint. So, the next time you're munching on a slice of pizza, think about how that same slice could be 3D printed in a spacecraft, floating somewhere in the Milky Way. The future of space food is not just exciting, it's deliciously groundbreaking. Get ready, because a gourmet galaxy awaits. If you enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe to the Science Recent YouTube channel for more content like this.